I'm always fascinated by games like Minecraft, Terraria, No Man's Sky because of their ability to engage you for a very long time. And all these popular games does that by offering players an infinite world to explore, which means hours and hours of refreshing content. Now when I first heard about a game world that was infinite, I was bamboozled that how it can be possible. And some of you also might have questions regarding this. So let us discuss in this video how these infinite worlds are made. So to achieve this, almost every game uses a specific technique called procedural generation. Now what is it and how is it useful in this case? Procedural generation is a method of creating content using computer algorithms and mathematical models to automatically generate game elements such as levels, maps, terrain, and even entire worlds. So these infinite worlds are generated procedurally, which means that the game generates new content on the fly as the player explores the world. Now there are various types of models, data you can use, or instructions you can write as a programmer to get the desired result. The most common form of input which is used in so much games is a noise map, and especially the Berlin noise. This Berlin noise is very good for generating terrains because of the smooth change in the random values which can generate very natural looking landscapes. So by reading grayscale values in the noise map, we can evaluate different heights of the terrain. Let's say black represents low altitude and white represents high one. So these black and white values can be used to tell the high and the low parts of the map. And to create an infinite world, the noise map is offsetted in a tiling pattern with the terrain generated by the algorithm, which seamlessly connects from one grid to the next. This creates the illusion of an infinitely large world as the terrain continues to generate itself in all directions. You might have heard one of the most popular game Minecraft using Berlin noise with their procedural design to generate its world. Now surely, world generated procedurally would not be as exciting and detailed as created manually, and that's one of its limitations. But to some extent, we can use combinations of these noises to create some interesting variations. For example, we can overlay another Berlin noise to create different biomes or regions, and also some fractal noise for, let's say, creating a cave system. Also, there can be different ways a world can be created, such as using Voronoi diagrams, simplex noise, and also other algorithms such as Cellular Automata, which can be used to create 2D dungeons and caves, marching cubes for generating 3D terrain, and yeah, of course, caves. Also, one bonus way of making levels procedurally, and one of my personal favorite, wave function collapse. One of the uses being to generate that retro style top-down pixel look, however, limiting to be used for a finite world, kind of irrelevant to this topic, so let's save it for some other day. Now, infinite worlds. As intriguing as it sounds, but the reality is, there exists no such thing as infinite. In theory, it may seem like this procedurally generated world is infinite, but we are very much limited by the computational resources. There would come a time where the game would be unable to generate world accurately. There would be performance and memory issues, the storage problem, and other seemingly major drawbacks. You can see this with Farlands in Minecraft, where terrain generation stops functioning properly. So, while the worlds in these games appear never ending, they are actually not. And that concludes the basics of this topic. Again, possibilities are endless just like worlds. I mean, No Man's Sky contains over 18 quintillion planets with the planet scale reasonably to a real one, and it's estimated that it can take around 584 billion years to fully explore the world, which is a really large number, I guess. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this new type of content on this channel. If you do, please like this video as it can help me to make more types of videos like this. Subscribe to stay up to date. On this channel, I pretty much regularly upload game dev related content, mostly. Yeah, I believe so. With some occasional mixed ones as well. Again, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.